Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this Olympiad math, and indeed this is an exponential equation with irrational basis, right? So here we have 2 plus root 3 to the power of x plus 2 minus root 3 to the power of x equals 14. Here we'll be solving for the real values of x, right? Okay, now let's get started. Now let us take note of this, that 1 all over 2 plus root 3 is equal to, rationalizing this, that will be 1 all over 2 plus root 3 times the conjugate form of the denominator 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. You know, this can cancel out and we're left with this, which is this, right? So from here, from the numerator, we have 2 minus root 3 times 1, which is 2 minus root 3. Then divided by, here, this is difference of two squares, which is same as 2 squared minus root 3 squared. And we can see that this is just 2 minus root 3 also, right? You know, this is 4 minus 3 right over here, which is 1. So that's what we have, just 2 minus root 3. So we can see how this irrational basis are related. So 1 all over 2 plus root 3 is exactly equal to 2 minus root 3. So we're going to write this base here in terms of 2 plus root 3. So from the original equation, we have 2 plus root 3 to the power of x, then plus, so that will become 1 all over 2 plus root 3, then to the power of x. This equals 14. So from here we have 2 plus root 3 to the power of x, then plus here 1 to the power of x is just 1, then divided by 2 plus root 3 to the power of x, then this is equal to 14. So here we're going to make substitution. So we're going to let 2 plus root 3 to the power of x equals m. So let's use m. So here we have m plus 1 over m. This is equal to 14. Now, this is over 1, and here we have over 1. The LCM of 1, m, and 1 is m. So we're going to multiply each term from both sides by m. So here we have m multiplied by m divided by 1 plus, hey, m multiplied by 1 all over m, then this is equal to m multiplied by 14. So from here, m times m is m squared plus, here, this we cancel this, we have 1, then this is equal to 14m. Okay, now, this 14m going to the left, so we have m squared, then minus 14m, then plus 1, this is equal to 0. Okay, now, so from here, we're going to make use of the general quadratic formula. So this is going to be negative b, and negative b here will be minus 14, which is just 14, then plus or minus square root of b squared here will be 14 squared, which is 196, minus, remember b squared will be negative 14 squared, because the power is even, so we're expecting a positive outcome, right? The 4 times 1 times 1 will give us 4, then all divided by 2. So simplifying this, we get 14 plus or minus, that will be square root of 192, right? Then divided by 2. Okay, so from here, this equals 14 plus or minus square root of, now 192 is same as 64 times 3, right? Hope I'm not getting it wrong. Then divided by 2. So from here, we have m is equal to 14 plus or minus, so square root of 64 is 8, then root 3 divided by 2. So from here, we have 7, 14 divided by 2 will give us 7, then plus or minus, here 8 root 3 divided by 2, that would be 4 root 3, right? So this implies that m is equal to 7 plus 4 root 3, and m is also equal to 7 minus 4 root 3. Okay, now so from here, let us recall that 2 plus root 3 raised to the power of x is equal to m. There is something really important we need to discuss here. Let us take note of the following. The square of 2 plus root 3 is exactly equal to 7 plus 4 root 3. Wonderful, right? Okay. Now, if the square of this equals this, what about the reciprocal? So the reciprocal here, which will be 1 divided by 2 plus root 3 squared, will be equal to here 1 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3. So let us take note of this. When we have 1 all over a to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of negative n. So from here, this will be same as 2 plus root 3 to the power of negative 2. Then, if you rationalize this carefully, that will be exactly 7 minus 4 root 3. Amazing. So now, let us solve for x. So remember, when m equals 7 plus 4 root 3, so we're going to have 2 plus root 3 raised to the power of x to be equal to 7 plus 4 root 3 is the same as 2 plus root 3 squared. So we have the same basis, so we can equate the power, and here we found a solution, right? Amazing. Okay, now for the other solution, when m is equal to 7 minus 4 root 3, so we're going to have 2 plus root 3 to the power of x. So this is equal to, now 7 minus 4 root 3 is exactly equal to this, which is 2 plus root 3 to the power of negative 2. And again, we have the same basis, so we can equate the power, and here we find another solution. So here we come up with the solution that x equals 2 and x equals negative 2. And for the solution to the problem, we have x is equal to plus or minus 2. And here we find the solution. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.